Okay, I just finished a workout, a longevity workout, and what I did here, I walked. It's a run, and then you walk, run, walk. You just keep alternating. Great for your longevity, because if we want to live, we have to be able to run a little bit, okay? You want to be able to run. I happen to be a tennis player, so I've got to run. So I'll be 76 in December. So maintaining this ability to run, I mean, even if you did this just walking fast, it's going to be good. But I encourage you to try and lengthen the strides. You know, it's going to be good for your overall balance as you get older, learning to keep that running form going. So I would try this. So today I went, what was it? 1.7 miles, you know, running and walking. And I focus on my form. I try and get the arms back. Those elbows, you want them to go back. And my posture, I try and work on my posture because that's something I have to work on for sure. So this is the kind of thing that I'm going to be posting more of here on Fruit and Sport. So if you're an older person and you're looking for ways to help your longevity, this is the place. Come here. I've got lots of things. So the tape helps tremendously because you're going to get more oxygen to the muscles in the presence of CO2, carbon dioxide. And when we breathe through our mouth, we are exhaling too much carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is key to getting oxygen to the cells, because oxygen cannot be delivered to the cells unless it's in the presence of carbon dioxide. So we need some in the system. Yes, it is a waste product, but we need some for that delivery to the muscles. So this is going to help if you're having trouble at night sleeping. I tape my mouth at night when I sleep to force myself to breathe through my nose. I've always been a mouth breather my whole life. When I found out about this, The Oxygen Advantage by Patrick McEwen. It's a great book. So even now as I'm talking to you, when I pause, I'm trying to breathe through my nose, not my mouth. Because if you continue to breathe through your mouth, it becomes harder and harder for you to talk in a calm manner because you start gasping for air. So this is a great thing to do, and use the tape, and you're going to see benefits for your longevity. Please subscribe to the channel if it's your first time here. Post any questions or comments below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and these are the kind of videos that Fruit and Sport is going to be delving into more and more. Things that help our longevity. So, all the best, and remember, one of the key things, one of the best things you can do is eat more fruit. Fruit gives you energy. It keeps your internal plumbing moving smoothly every day. You don't want to hold on to toxins. You want to get rid of them. All the best, guys. Have a great one. Take care.